So my buddy let me borrow his AK-47, and I've never disassembled one of these things before. I got to read the instruction manual once before I got to take it apart. I haven't taken it apart yet. It's so old, it's got fucking mold on it growing here. You can see that in the camera. It needs some serious love, but we're gonna see how fast I can disassemble and put it back together. But to be true to standards with Alexander Kalashnikov Model 47 rifle, I've got to drink some liquor. Unfortunately, I don't have vodka. We're gonna go ahead and substitute Jameson for it before I go. So here we go. Oh, fuck. There we go. That's the frame. Everything's accessible. We gotta take out the gas tube. We gotta take out that. Rotate. This is a AK-47, completely pulled apart, down to the frame. This is what kids in freaking Africa can do in like 12 seconds when they beat people to death. We're going to try to put it back together now and see how long it takes. I think that fits like that. Right? Oh shit. Alright, so it's a little bit more complicated than I thought.
It's simple rifle, bud.
Gotta be a little bit more careful. Push it down. Oh, yep, this one push it down.
Just beat it into submission.
Make sure this is in the right position. Slide it forward. Holy shit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is more difficult than it looks. These fucking kids in Africa got it figured out. Oh, there we go. Holy shit. There's 12-year-olds that can do this better than me. There you go. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stripping and putting back together an AK-47 for the first time. It's actually really fucking fast. Unbelievably so. Honestly, I mean, I guess there's a reason it's called the best rifle in the world. Good luck.